Hi everyone. I would like to introduce 49's NP606 today. Let's take a look. Fortnine's eyeglass frames are made based on the concept of eyeglasses are tools. Easy to wear, hard to break, easy to adjust. The functions required of vision correction devices are realized through the design that takes advantage of various unique mechanisms and the characteristics of materials to achieve the best wearing comfort. The pursuit of functionality inevitably leads to a comfortable and beautiful form. That is what 49's eyeglass frames are all about. 49's original mechanism, the Gyaku-R hinge, the reverse R part, integrates functionality. It prevents distortion and collapse of the frame and maintains comfortable wearing for a long time. This mechanism further refines the element required for eyeglasses such as easy to wear, hard to break, and easy to adjust. NP606 is decorated with gold stainless steel and silver titanium ornaments on the base and temples. The metal ornaments accentuate the overall atmosphere of the frames, giving them a sense of presence and an even higher quality feel. In order to maintain a comfortable fit for everyone, 49's has adapted uniquely designed coated parts that provide wide ground contact surface while maintaining a firm height. NP606 is a square-style eyeglasses frame. The front design makes it easier for everyone to wear. Lens width is 54 mm. Bridge width is 15 mm. Temple length is 140 mm. Lens top and bottom width 35.5 mm. Frame width is 141 mm. I'm wearing color number 19, light beer. It is brown color with transparency, with soft image. I'm wearing color number 87, crystal dark smoke, transparent gray. This color is easy to match with clothing and your style. This is black. This is the standard color. It's a color you can't go wrong with. I introduced NP606 today. It's a basic eyeglass frame. What did you think about these frames? Please try them at Yamasen. We are looking forward to seeing you. See you soon.